Just as a quickie selfie reminder, sauce making involves the use of sodium hydroxide or lye, which can burn your skin and permanently damage your eyes. So be sure to learn and follow lye-safe handle procedure during the entire sauce making process, even while cleaning up. You can buy the products on Instagram store on.taa. Remember to follow my channel and like it. Your support is my bigger motivation. Hello everyone. Today we do the whey soap, and I will tell you how to do the whey. First, we put the yogurt in the strainer. After 6 hours, the limiter in the cup is whey, and the cheese in the strainer. Since I don't have the children and base milk is hard to buy, we can use this method to make whey. The texture of whey is cold to base milk, and the sauce milk is very moisturizing. Whey don't have a strong fragrance, and essential oil can be added to make soap to increase the fragrance. Okay, let me see the video.